So now we've talked about all these different ways of transforming a graph. We've got shifting, we've got scaling, we've got reflecting. So the question is, how do we throw all these together? And more particularly, once they're thrown together, what order do we do them in? And so that's what this video is about. And we're just going to lay this out, and there's a handout found on the website that you can get that has the same list, but it's helpful to try and get this down. So what we're going to look at is the following. This is our general rule. We'll always do horizontal shifting first, then we'll do all of our stretching or compressing, then we'll do reflection, and then we'll do vertical shifting. Always follow this order. So for instance, if our given graph has a point y equals f of x, that means we have a point xy, and each point x has a matching y. We do a horizontal shift first, so we move c, which adds c to the x, whatever it is, after we change its sign. Then we do stretch and compression, and first notice we're going to do our horizontal. Do horizontal first, so just change the horizontal, and it divides by the absolute value of b. And then do your vertical, it's the absolute value of ay, and so you do this one first, then do this one. So we're moving down, and each step just shows you what you're changing. Then we do our reflections, and if possible, we do our signs. Do sign changes. And notice it's doing the horizontal reflection first, then the vertical, and then finally our last step is to do the vertical shift to move it up, whatever d is. And so we start with our basic graph and then follow these steps in order, and that will generate our new graph.